Yo, I just found something everyone's talking about lately. It's been trending for a reason. People keep buying it and leaving amazing reviews. The build quality feels great. It works exactly as described, and honestly, it's better than I expected. Want to see why everyone's obsessed with it? Links in the description. Go now. Everyday needs deserve reliable solutions. That's why this collection covers multiple categories, from clothing and accessories to electronics and home items, designed for modern living. Click the link in the description to get special deals. Upgrade the way you shop for everyday products. Explore fashion, gadgets, home essentials, and practical lifestyle items in one place. Focused on real needs. Find special pricing through the link in the description. Okay, not gonna lie, this one's kinda crazy good. So many people are talking about it because it actually delivers. Smooth performance, solid design, and it's super easy to use. Definitely worth checking out. Check it out through the link below. You'll see exactly why it's so popular. Find products that fit your life.